Come with me. I want to show you something. This is the new Audi Q8. एक बार अगर आप इसे देखेंगे तो लगेगा कि बदला क्या है, but मैं हूं ना यहाँ बताने के लिए. Let me show you what all has changed. The first change is in this signature grille. The grille shape remains octagonal, but you get this droplet effect now. The second and the biggest change is in the headlamps. Now you get this HD matrix LED headlamps with laser assistance for high beam. These also project very cool signature once you switch on the car or switch off the car, and these signatures are now configurable. Besides that, you also have some changes on the air intake area on the bumper. I have not been a big fan of Audi's new alloy designs, but in this car, the alloys are dark and the red calipers shines through that darkness. And on this black car, these dark alloys look absolutely stunning. You also notice the coupe-ish roofline and the entire length of this car. Rear में ज़्यादा कुछ difference मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा. जो एक difference पता चला है वो ये कि tail lamp में जो graphics बनकर आते हैं वो थोड़े से बदल गए हैं.
And a more sculpted diffuser with squared exhaust tips. So the design has seen only marginal changes.
इंटीरियर्स में चेंजेस ढूंढने के लिए दिया लेकर ढूंढना पड़ेगा और फिर भी कम ही चेंजेस मिलेंगे, बट दैट्स नॉट सच अ बैड थिंग बिकॉज दीज इंटीरियर्स आर वेरी क्लासी लुकिंग. दे आर सिंपलिस्टिक एंड येट वेरी एलिगेंट. You get these two screens. The one below is for climate control. This one is a touch screen, comes with Audi's MMI Navigation Plus and MMI Touch Response. It's not as big as what some of the competitors are offering, but the response is crisp and the user interface is quite friendly. You also get Audi's virtual cockpit. The graphics on this are absolutely clean and crisp and very easy to read, and this screen is obviously customizable. These seats are really comfortable, electrically adjustable, and they offer 4-way lumbar support. Then you also have some options to change the color of the upholstery. This is leather upholstery. You get this in this gray color. Then you have the option of black, brown and beige color interiors. You get Bang & Olufsen 17 speaker setup which produces up output of 730 watt, and the music quality is actually really nice. Now, let me show you how much space you get. The space under the armrest is very limited. There's space for your wireless charging pad, and then there's barely any other space left there. Then you have 2 cup holders and a small place to keep your key. Decent sized glove box and decent sized space in the door pockets.
The Q8 now comes equipped with 360-degree camera and Park Assist Plus. Let's hop on to the second row.
It's a Q8, so you get oodles of real estate here. I can really stretch my legs. These seats are adjustable. You can put them up front or push them back, and even the backrest you can adjust, but not too much. So that's not much of use. But what I really like is this powered sun blind. Then you get 4-zone AC, but one thing that you will definitely miss is absence of any USB port. C-type charging point नहीं है, USB type A charging point भी नहीं है. 2 यहाँ पर पोर्ट दिए गए हैं 12 वोल्ट के, जहाँ पर आपको अडेप्टर लगाना होगा अपने फ़ोन चार्ज करने के लिए. ये सीट आगे और पीछे भी होती है, और अच्छी बात यह है कि थोड़ी सी कूपे रूफलाइन ज़रूर है, but you still get decent headroom. The car is fairly wide, so 3 लोग यहाँ पर आसानी से बैठ सकते हैं, but the center passenger will have to bear this huge bump in the middle.
It's time to take Q8 for a ride.
The engine hasn't changed either. You get 3-liter V6 which produces 340 HP of power and 500 Nm of torque. और ये paired है 8-speed Tiptronic transmission के साथ. It's a really capable engine. If you want power, it has more than enough to deliver. And you can pick speed in no time. Claimed 0 to 100 kph comes in 5.6 seconds. For a massive car like this, it's pretty impressive. The only negative is that when you push the pedal, the car will take a moment and then the surge of power will come.
There are efficiency, comfort, and dynamic modes, but the response doesn't change dramatically even in dynamic mode.
Q8's drive is comfort oriented and that's what you get in all the modes. और साथ में आपको 48 वोल्ट का माइल्ड हाइब्रिड सिस्टम भी मिलता है, तो फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी बेहतर करने में थोड़ी सी मदद वहां से भी हो जाती है. What shines through is the ride quality. बहुत ही बढ़िया राइड क्वालिटी मिलती है. बरसात का मौसम है, गुड़गांव में हम गाड़ी चला रहे थे और रोड्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब हो चुकी हैं और उन रोड्स को इसने बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया है. यू गेट सस्पेंशन विद डैम्पर्स एंड वी वर ड्राइविंग इन गुड़गांव
And it makes the ride really plush.
Q8 has been launched at the price tag of rupees 1.17 CR. अब इस प्राइस बैंड पर आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं ढेर सारे फीचर्स और वहाँ पर ये गाड़ी थोड़ी सी पीछे रह जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसमें आपको ADAS नहीं मिल रहा.
With absence of screen that catch your eye or any gadget at the rear, the cabin feels dated. And the facelift, a missed opportunity to make the Q8 look more modern. But it continues to offer comfortable drive and a differentiated look. At Rs 1.16 crore ex-showroom, the Q8 can appeal to customers looking for more for their buck.